In 12 February, my father held a graduation ceremony at one of Maritime campus in Makassar, namely at PIP campus. I was schooling when my dad is graduation, and because of that, I had to ask permission from my school to attend his graduation ceremony. For go to Makassar, I always use private car because cars are one of my family favorite vehicle. Because with a private car, we can feel more free and comfortable. I departed to Makassar 3 days before my father's graduation ceremony. We had to leave 3 days before the graduation ceremony because I still have a younger sibling. In 9 February, my family and I departed to Makassar. When we arrived in Makassar, we took time to clean our house in Makassar because our house there was dirty since it had not been occupied for a long time. In 10 February, my family and I went to the mall to buy my flat shoes because my flat shoes were broken. Then, in 11 February, we traveled to Bungalow Mangrove PIP Makassar. We went there to stay overnight because Bungalow Mangrove is a villa, and coincidentally, our house is far from PIP Makassar campus, so we stayed at Bungalow Mangrove. Before entering the villa, we surveyed the location of my father's graduation ceremony so that we would not get lost when going to the event venue. However, during the trip to Bungalow Mangrove, we got lost because the road was narrow. Location is a remote area and far from the city. We decided to use the toll road, but we still got lost. Finally, we asked some people we meet for direction, and eventually we managed to find the villa and unload our belongings. After arriving at the villa, we decided to take a short rest. We slept for about 2 until 3 hours and then continue our activities. When I woke up, I decided to walk around the villa with my sister. The villa where we stay was located near the beach, so we walked to the beach. At the beach, we took a picture and enjoy nature. The beach was not well, and because it really visited, some parts of the floor were broken. There we saw many plants and I found a crab. After feeling satisfied, my sibling and I decided to go back after arriving the villa. We cooked Indomie together because we feel very hungry. After that, we decided to do karaoke. Coincidentally, we bought a speaker, so we decided to do karaoke. We sang for almost 1 hour. After that, I decided to walk around the villa again, but I did not go to the beach. I walked around the garden because the West Garden is very big. After walking around the garden for 1 hour, I decided to return to the villa room. There I prepared all my things for tomorrow because tomorrow was my father's graduation ceremony. I ironed my clothes and prepared my shoes. After that, I played with my phone. Then at 9 o'clock, I decided to sleep so that I could wake up early the next morning for makeup. When I wake up, I see my mother was cleaning the villa when I sleep. Then I helped my mother. After that, I took a shower and waited my MUA to arrive. After that, my mother and my sibling and I did makeup, and then we walked to graduation venue. My father graduation ceremony started at 2 a.m. and we began attending the ceremony. After the graduation ceremony, we decided to rest in the room, and after that we went to a family photo place. That is where the photo that I told you about was taken. Thank you.